In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access TikTok Shop on PC. Let's set expectations right away so you know exactly what's possible. When you open TikTok on your computer and sign into your account, you can scroll your feed, watch videos, and manage your profile. However, the shopping experience, the TikTok Shop, where you browse products and check out, is not available on the desktop site for buyers. On PC, what you'll mainly find is access designed for people who want to open and manage a store, meaning it's geared towards sellers rather than shoppers. If your goal today is to buy items through TikTok Shop, here's the key takeaway. Use the TikTok mobile app. That's where TikTok has placed the full shopping experience, including product discovery, carts, and secure checkout. The desktop version simply doesn't include a shop tab for purchasing in most regions. TikTok prioritizes the in-app experience, so you get integrated product pages, live shopping features, and payment tools that all work smoothly on your phone. So start by making sure you have a TikTok account and that you can log in both on desktop and mobile. This keeps everything in sync. On your computer, you can still enjoy videos and creators talking about products, but when it's time to actually buy, switch to your phone. Next, download the TikTok app on your mobile device from your official app store and sign in. Once you're in, look for the shop section on the navigation bar. If TikTok Shop is available in your country, you'll see it there. From that tab, you can explore categories, search for specific items, check seller ratings, read reviews, and add items to your cart. When you're ready, follow the prompts to check out securely within the app. A few tips to make things smoother. Keep your app updated to the latest version so new shopping features appear properly. If you don't see the shop tab, it may be because TikTok Shop isn't supported in your region yet, or your app needs an update. You can also log out and back in, or clear the app cache to refresh the interface. And if you discovered a product on desktop, save or favorite the video so you can quickly find it again on your phone and complete the purchase from there. To recap, on PC, TikTok is great for viewing content and for sellers for managing a store. For buying through TikTok Shop, use the mobile app. Download it, sign in, and explore the shop tab to browse and check out seamlessly.